Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath on Sunday said big events can be held while adhering to the protocol pertaining to coronavirus, and the Van Mahotsav will be a witness to this. Pre-COVID, during COVID and post-COVID are three categories, which the world will be able to clearly see. These will say what was the situation of the world before the COVID-19 outbreak, what was the condition during the outbreak, and what will be the changes in the world after coronavirus, he said at the commencement of the Van Mahotsav here on Sunday. A record 26 crore saplings were planted across the state during the Van Mahotsav, an annual festival. Adityanath said, adhering to norms of social distancing during the COVID-19 pandemic, a record 26 crore saplings were planted in a single day. This was the result of environmental awareness among various self-help groups and organizations. The state government distributed sahajan, drumstick, saplings among the people for plantation. He said efforts are on to plant 35 crore saplings in the state. Corona has compelled us to learn a number of lessons pertaining to nature and environment. A healthy nature and environment will enable us to realize healthy human beings, he said. This is a good effort and all of us can organize big events while adhering to social distancing. This event is a witness to this. By following the treatment and prevention protocol during this global pandemic, we can be a part of the Van Mahotsav, he said. Last year, a target of planting 22 crore saplings was fixed. After that, each plant was geotagged, so that it could remain safe, Adityanath said. The Chief Minister also said the Forest Department had grown 35 crore saplings in its own nursery or by motivating farmers. We will link them to plantation, he said. Adityanath said if an uninterrupted flow of the Ganga and the Yamuna has to be maintained, then trees will have to be planted on the banks of the rivers. In Mathura, UP Minister for Dairy Development, Animal Husbandry and Fisheries Lakshmi Narayan Chaudhary took part in a plantation drive. The minister said 14,68,000 saplings were planted in the district and efforts will be made to keep them safe.